Students work so hard on numerous projects every week. The world deserves to see your hard work. Why not start by captivating the Weld RE4 Learner Showcase? Students from schools across the Weld RE4 district will come together on Thursday, February 28th for the annual Innovate RE4 Learner Showcase. Projects driven by creativity and innovation will be providing an opportunity for students to show how their project development and presentation skills will rule the world. All students in the district are encouraged to present. Entry forms are open through February 8th at weldre4.org/showcase. This year's event will be held at Windsor High School's brand new Innovation Center and will demonstrate how teachers and students are utilizing modern educational facilities. Please come show your support for our K-12 students and see how learning has changed.